Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to do first aid. We have already done safety on road, road signs, and safety from fire in the previous class. So today we will begin with the first aid. First aid. We can avoid accidents by following safety rules, but still they occur. The injured person must be given first aid immediately. You all know that first means pehli and aid means help. So first help should be given to the victim or जिसका भी accident हो जाता है, that is called victim or injured person. And this is very important because first aid can save many lives. So first aid, everybody should remember in what case, what kind of first aid you should give. So let us read. First aid is the medical help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. In case of an accident or emergency, first of all, you should be calm and then disperse the crowd around him or her. जिसको भी चोट लगी है, उसके around you should see that nobody is there. Crowd नहीं लगाना चाहिए because so that the victim can get fresh air, and also you should not panic. You should be calm and then disperse the crowd. Disperse मतलब हटाना. First aid can give a relief to the patient in minor injuries, cuts and burns. In minor means छोटी मोटी चोटों में तो first aid is very useful and you can be cured of minor injuries, cuts and burns by first aid. Then in case of a severe accident, you should call a doctor or take the patient to the hospital. You all know we can take the patient to the hospital with the help of ambulance. You can see here how this ambulance is coming and the patient is being taken inside the hospital with this lift. Okay. So in case of severe accident, you should call a doctor or you can take the patient to the hospital with the help of ambulance. First aid can be given in case of cuts and scratches, burns, sprains, nose bleeding and fractures. So we are going to read the first aid given in these cases. You can see first aid box here. You can see how many things are there. All these things: gloves, scissors, tweezers, then these are injections and tubes, medicines, all these band-aid, this tape. All these things are very useful and they should be at home all the time. They should be there in the first aid box. First aid for cuts and scratches. In case of cuts and scratches, first wash the wound with clean water. Clean the blood with cotton wool soaked in an antiseptic lotion. When you soak this cotton in antiseptic lotion like Savlon or Dettol, then what happens? The germs in the cotton also are not there, and this cotton becomes sterile. And then when you put it on the wound will also not get infected by germs, and it will also stop the bleeding. After the blood flow stops, put some antiseptic lotion on the wound, then wrap a cotton bandage around the wound. You can see this cotton bandage is here. You can put this around the wound so that you can protect the wound from dust and germs. If the person falls on the dirty road or gets cut with a rusted iron objects, she should take an anti-tetanus injection. You can see here this person is getting an anti-tetanus injection. This is very important. And these are the rusted nails. You can see rusted means जंग लगी हुई जो nails होती हैं या कोई भी iron objects होगा, अगर उससे चोट लगती है then you should always take anti-tetanus injection. This is because if dirt and germs enter into the blood, it may cause a disease called tetanus, and this tetanus disease is very dangerous, and a person can die due to pus in the bones or in the blood. So you should be very careful if you fall on a dirty road or get cut with rusted iron objects. You should always take anti-tetanus injection. Then first aid for burns. Now minor burns. In case of minor burns, first apply ice or cold water or running water from the tap on the burnt area. Once the burning sensation subsides, means कम हो जाए, apply an antiseptic cream to avoid infection. Now this kind of cream is used for burn this wounds. If somebody is they are getting minor burns, you can use this Bernol or Silverex cream. These both the creams are very good for burn. So on minor burns, you can use these. A paste of baking soda and water also can be applied. If there is no medicine at home, then you can always make a paste of baking soda and water and then apply it on the burned area. Then severe burns. In case of severe burns, first make the patient lie down on a clean bed sheet. Take the patient to a doctor or a hospital immediately. Sometimes blisters appear on the burnt area. This is a blister. You can see watery this outgrowth on a finger. This is blister, and this water is there. Do not prick the blisters. Prick means फोड़ना नहीं चाहिए कभी blisters या छालों को. Germs will enter through the blisters and cause infection. If we break them, then germs will enter the blisters. Cover the burnt area with a clean piece of soft cotton cloth to protect from germs and dust. A clean piece of cloth dipped in a solution of baking soda can be used as wet compress. So this baking soda solution is very useful for burn wounds. Then first aid for sprains. A sudden fall or hit on a particular organ causes sprain. Sprain कहते हैं मोच आने को. The tissues around the joint or the part gets ruptured, causing a severe pain and swelling. This is called sprain. In case of sprain, apply ice, packing in a piece of cloth or polythene bag. You can apply the ice like this, or you can get this gel packs which are used for cold therapy. So you can keep them in freezer all the time. Whenever you get hurt, you can take out from the freezer and put them, and this will work very nicely on the sprain repeatedly till the pain and swelling subsides. Later, you can apply pain reliever spray on the sprain. This is pain reliever spray. This is Volini spray. You can spray it on the portion where you are sprained, on hand or leg. And also, if you get a sprain after spraying this ointment, you can put this crepe bandage. You can see this person is putting crepe bandage on a sprain. So you can do this also. Okay, children. So rest of the topics we will do in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.